So I received a package from Ukraine from the company named Nikitovka Seeds. There is a website www.nikitovka.com. I'll place the link in the description box below. So this is what I received: a ton of cucumbers, 15 packages of cucumbers. They are small, tiny, but still enough for a small family or a small garden like I have. So these 15 packages are for the cucumbers, and over here I have 10 packages of tomatoes. So let's start with tomatoes. These two I'm familiar with because I am from Ukraine and I had them before in my garden when I was still living in Ukraine. This one is very popular, the balcony variety, the balcony miracle. There is a red variety of balcony miracle and the yellow variety, and they are very popular in Ukraine, in Russia, in all of the Eastern European countries. These are dwarf variety of tomatoes. They are suitable to grow indoors in winter time, also outdoors in small containers and pots. They don't grow big. They're perfect for green stalk towers and other like hanging baskets and stuff like that. There is one that's was designed specifically for hanging basket, and it's this one called Hundreds and Thousands. It's very similar to the American variety called Tumbler. So as you can see, all of them are dwarf varieties except this one. So this Altai variety, it's a large tomato. By large I mean the whole plant is large, not the fruit. I mean, the fruit is kind of big too. It's decent size plum tomato. The picture is really bad, but I'll try to find a picture online and put it on the screen so you can see. This is a very famous Russian variety that's a lot of people in Eastern Europe grow, Altai, and it's indeterminate variety. And the rest of them dwarf varieties. So this one is another balcony variety called Vilma. This one is called Father Frost. That's a interesting name because, as we know, tomatoes are not frost tolerant. So I don't know why they named it Father Frost. Mohammed, Christmas tree. This one, I'm not even sure how to say it. That's not a Ukrainian name, so I don't know where they took the name from. Bajaja or Barayaya? I'm not even sure how to say it. And these ones I already told you about. So these are my tomato varieties. Now let's look at the cucumbers. So I also have ordered a few that are indoor growing. This one, balcony, is for the indoors. This one is even called indoor, so it's perfect for small tiny pots. There was another balcony variety, this one, swallowtail, the butterfly cucumber. That's also good for growing indoors. And I think that's it. The rest of them are for the outside, and they are like larger trellising cucumbers. What's interesting is this one called Tchaikovsky. So that's a cute one. The funny one is this, Jealous Neighbor. Okay, I can't wait to try and see if my neighbors will be jealous. And also there was another one that has a funny name, Everyone Envy. Should be Everyone's Envy, but anyway, interesting name. There is a baby cucumber that's supposed to be like cornichon size, and there is also Altai. So you remember we had Altai tomato, and there is Altai cucumber. They're spelled differently, but it's basically the same thing. I mean, Altai is just the region in Russia. Also, there is aspiring to the sky cucumber. And this one is funny. Karapuz. Karapuz in Ukrainian means an infant baby, like a tiny baby. So can't wait to see if those cucumbers are gonna be really tiny or not. So that's my unique order of seeds all the way from Ukraine. This video is not sponsored by the company. I purchased these seeds with my own money, but I just wanted to show you that there is an option of ordering seeds from international companies from other countries. Of course, there are rules involved in purchasing seeds, but if you are really interested in trying some unique varieties, you can give this brand a try. I am excited to see how these seeds grow compared to the ones that I have been growing for the last 7 years here, but I'll definitely keep you posted and show you how I like them or not.